it's Haley and I'm back with another vlog. I'm heading to New York, actually by myself today. For the first time, I've never traveled to New York by myself and the nerves are running, but we gotta go and catch this train. I'm gonna take you along for a cute little event tonight that I'm so excited for, and yeah, let's head to New York. But now I'm going to call myself an Uber and head to meet my friend so then we can head to the Terrace. Supposed to take back home. What a bummer. I got stuck in traffic in my Uber on the way here. Literally left with enough time and even told the Uber, I was like, listen, I have a train to catch at 9:38. If there's any way you could possibly make that happen, that would be fantastic. And it didn't happen. So I got myself a hot dog because I haven't eaten. I'm just gonna wait until the next one, which is at 10:23. I've never had to not rush to get here and make my train, so this is new to me, and I'm by myself this time, so we're just enjoying every second. And I got myself a hot dog, so we're gonna enjoy that hot dog while we wait. Woo! I'm sitting on the stairs, so it's giving loner vibes, but it's fine. We're fine. I'll be fine. Me and my hot dog. Yay! I'll keep you guys updated. See you on the train. Made it safe back onto the train finally. It was awful, honestly, waiting. all the weirdos in Penn Station. But if you are a content creator and you are nervous going to events by yourself, this is your sign to just do it. This is my first time going to New York by myself, and I must say it was not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I think I made it out to seem like it was going to be like super scary and whatnot, but if you're familiar with it, just do it. It's gonna be great. I had so much fun meeting all these new girls, and it was just so much fun hanging out with them and getting to know them. So don't let fear stop you. This is your sign. Thank you for coming along with me and watching. I know it wasn't the longest or the best video, but I'm coming back to New York Saturday, so stay tuned for that vlog because it's going to be so much fun. I'm gonna meet so many new girls,